In this practical pointer, I'll show you how to create a grid layout and use LASTRADA's multi-monitor support. This feature is particularly useful when you need to work in multiple windows at one time. I will start this example as if I was a technician working in an asphalt plant. Every day I run an asphalt test and also test aggregates that are delivered or conveyed to our plant. I can move these windows off to the side, or I can save this and create a custom grid layout that will appear every time I open my screen for the way I work. The way you set up the grid layout is positioning the windows where you want them to be, and then right-clicking in the white space. Select Dialog Settings and make sure the position and size dialog boxes are checked. You can also add any personal notes for yourself about how to use the software or reminders to this section. Save and exit. Go to the next window and do the same steps. Then you can close them, and when you reopen, they will appear in the correct places without having to move the dialogues. And you can click here and see the notes you added. This feature can also be extended to multi-monitor. A common use for multi-monitor support is that private labs look at lab work in overview. When I open this testing program, I can drag it to my second monitor and follow the same steps I did before. So it will always open on my second monitor in the future. Thank you for watching. Watch our next recommended video in the Practical Pointers series here, or watch the full playlist. For more resources like this, visit our resources page at lastradapartners.com/resources and subscribe to our channel.